Today, we're going to explain how to check if a Sudoku board is valid. The goal is to make sure that no number repeats in any row, column, or 3 by 3 subgrid. This check doesn't mean the board can be solved, only that it follows the basic rules of Sudoku. To do this, we need to make sure each row, column, and subgrid has only unique numbers. If we find any duplicates in these areas, the board is not valid. We start by setting up a way to remember the numbers we've seen in each row, column, and subgrid. As we go through the board, we update these lists with the numbers we encounter. For each cell, we check 3 things. First, we see if the number is already in the current row's list. If it is, that's a duplicate and the board is invalid. Next, we check the current column's list the same way. Finally, we determine which subgrid the cell is in and check if the number is already in that subgrid's list. If it is, that's another duplicate. If we find any duplicates during these checks, we know the board is invalid. But if we get through all the cells without finding any duplicates, the board is valid, and we can return true. This method helps us quickly check if the Sudoku board follows the rules, even if it doesn't tell us if the board can be solved.